Hello everybody, welcome back to my channel. This is Zodi Styles. My name is Izorua and I'm going to be doing some good stuff today. But before I do all those things, my new subscribers, thank you so much. Thank you very much. You're adding so much value into my channel. So thank you. You're gonna see some lifestyle stuff, some vlogs, DIYs, baking, cooking, family, motherhood, everything here. Everything you need is right here, okay? I do some sit-down videos too to, teach some life lessons. But today, I'm going to be doing some nice summer stuff. It's summertime, and most of the time during summer, we take popsicles, ice cream. We also take some slushies to cool ourselves off, especially if you live in Houston, Texas. Weather is very hot during summertime. To cool ourselves off, apart from the AC in the house, you go outside, you go to the amusement parks, you get some ice cream, Dippin' Dots, you get slushies, popsicles, and stuff. So today, I'm going to be making some vanilla ice cream. Vanilla ice cream. How do you make the vanilla ice cream? I'm gonna show you how to make vanilla ice cream in a very, very simple way. Okay, I'll show you everything that I used. It's so simple. I just got to learn that I've been making ice cream back to back lately. And I decided to show you guys how to make your own ice cream from home. Vanilla ice cream. Homemade vanilla ice cream. That's the name. So let's go. Let's go do it. I'm going to show you the ingredients that you're going to be using and the tools that you'll be using. Anybody can do this. Okay, so the 3 ingredients I'm going to be using, 3 of them, that you can get in any store, pretty much, any grocery store. I'm gonna show you 3 ingredients I'm gonna be using. For my ice cream, I'm gonna be using my heavy whipping cream. Can you see it? My heavy whipping cream. That's one of the major ingredients. I'm going to be using sweetened condensed milk. It has to be sweetened, okay? It has to be sweetened for it to be yummy. Sweetened condensed milk. Because we're making vanilla ice cream, okay, I have to use my pure vanilla extract. Okay, if you want to make chocolate ice cream, you can do that. Also, you can just, instead of adding vanilla, you can add your chocolate powder. If you want to make cookie cream ice cream, you can just get your maybe Oreos or your choice of cookies and break them into pieces inside the mixture, and then you mix it up. The main thing that's gonna be doing the ice cream for me is gonna be my mixer, my standing mixer. You can also use your handheld mixer to do this. If you don't have those two, you can use your whisk. Okay, you can use your whisk to whisk everything together. It takes a longer time, of course, when you use your mixer, your whisk. It takes a long time if you use a whisk. So yeah, I'm gonna be using my standing mixer. Let me show you. And then let's get to it. It takes, literally, to make your ice cream, it takes like maximum 10 minutes, literally. So let's go, let's do this. Let's go. Okay guys, I'm right here at my corner where I usually do my mixing stuff, blending stuff, all those things. So right now, I'm just gonna show you, okay? First of all, I'm going to pour in my condensed milk. That's the first thing I do. Okay, the next thing I do is put my heavy whipping cream. The whipping cream is very thick, thicker than regular milk. Okay. So this whipping cream, I got it at Aldi. That's where I got it. And the condensed milk also, I got that at Aldi. So next, I'm going to be putting my vanilla. I have to measure this one. So for it to taste vanilla, more like vanilla, you put enough. I usually do 1 tablespoon. Well, exactly 1 tablespoon. That's what I have here. So you put that inside. Okay, like I said, you can put your, instead of, if you don't want vanilla ice cream, you can put your cocoa powder you know, to make it chocolatey. You can. The other time I did chocolate ice cream, I used Milo. I used my Milo, and it tastes Milo-y. So you put this over here. I'm going to put my this whisk is what I'm using. You know, mixer, a standard mixer, it has different what's it called? Different mouth or whisk or whatever. So it has whisk, dough, all those things. This one is the whisk one that you use for your standing mixer. And you have to cover it up, okay? What? It's well covered up. And now we're going to, let me just show you closely. This is my whisk, let me show you my mixer. Mix it now. Okay. So first thing I do, I start slow. Okay. I start slow and then I increase it. So I put it on 1 first. Okay. For a little bit. And then I increase it. I'm gonna come back and show you my ice cream exactly in this state. This is exactly how I do it. I keep increasing until I get the thick consistency. I'll come back and let you know, okay? So I want it to be thicker a little bit, you know, a little bit more. It's like this is good, but I want a little thicker, okay? So that it can last long in your mouth. It's more quickly melts. Let me show you guys. See the thickness? You see that? If you can do it this way, this is your ice cream. You're ready. This ice cream is ready. Okay? It's actually ready. It's actually ready. It's time to get my ice cream out. Are you excited just like I am? You can walk along with me if you have all this. Just walk along with me by watching this video. And yes, you'll be able to get your ice cream for your kids, for, you know, your neighbors or everybody. And let me taste it in this raw state. It's so good. I poured the liquid and everything in here. It was not so much like that, but when you whisk it and when you mix it and all that, it swells up. That's one thing I love about this. So let me just show you. So what I do, I just go from the bottom. You see that? Okay, so that's what I do. I smoothen it up. And then I'll go ahead and use my wrap, my plastic wrap, to cover it up, and then I put it in the freezer. I'm going to show you the one I did before. Okay. This is the ice cream. Okay. I'm going to show you guys the one I did before. If you have an old ice cream container, don't throw it away. So, because I had an old ice cream container and I poured my ice cream that I made in there. You can recycle it by making your own ice cream and putting it inside that ice cream container. And that's what I did. I'm putting this in the freezer right now. Okay. This is the one I made. I don't know if you can see this, for the family. The one I made for the family. Okay. they've almost finished it. So it's gonna look like this. It doesn't melt quickly. It stays in your mouth for long. That's why I love homemade ice cream. I'm not doing home ice cream. I'm not buying ice cream again. I'm going to be making my own. So I don't know if you know this container. It's an ice cream container that I got from HEB. And I said, I'm not throwing it away. I was not like, what are you doing with this container? Throw it away now. You finish using it. I'm not throwing it away. Let me keep it. I don't know what I'm going to use to do it. By then, I don't know how to make ice cream. I just kept it. And now, it's very useful. After learning how to make ice cream by myself. Yeah. I'm going to show you the chocolate ice cream I made. It's not so chocolatey in the face, but it tastes chocolatey. Like Milo. Milo and milk. So good. Let me show you. I put it in this container. And it's almost full. You see the chocolate ice cream? It looks chocolatey, right? Yes. This is my chocolate ice cream. See the vanilla ice cream I put in my mouth? It's still in my mouth. It lasts long like that. The chocolate ice cream. I mean, you will not want to buy ice cream again outside. Okay guys, thank you guys so much for watching. I hope you've learned how to make your own ice cream from home. You don't have to buy ice cream again. With this video, you should be fine. All right, thank you guys so much for watching. Until next time, please don't forget to subscribe, like, comment, and share this particular video. I want you to share it. Share it to everybody, okay? All right, guys. God bless you. Bye.